Okay, here I'm using a white scrubbing pad from a doodlebug that I cut up, and you can see the water that comes out as I push the button. And the idea is to put the water on the glass first and then agitate with this particular scrubber. It doesn't hold water anyway, so I just scrub it. It gets right in the corners, does all the edges, and you then squeegee and go to the other one. Just put a little bit more water on that one with my right hand, as you can see where my squeegee is, and then squeegee this. And the beauty is you're always using clean solution, and it just makes a big difference. I'll just go and detail a few of the edges here. And the sill. And I'll move on to another video with me using a wagtail-like squeegee using the watering system. So now we'll disconnect the water tubing off this one, and we'll put it on our scrubber squeegee. And as you can see, the material here, the sleeve, has actually got holes in it. It's for the water to go through more freely, as the pad itself doesn't need to hold any water whatsoever. It's just distributed on it, and you use it as per normal. And I'd like to take this stage to say I was inspired by this. He had a wagtail, an Ian Baker from the UK. He had devised a way of putting a trigger on the handle, which I have not, but it just spurred me to just do my version, and this is my version. At the end of this video, you'll see, you can see his video and click onto it. And I'll just finish this off, and I suppose, well, that's about it.